welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean with me. And when I say my house is bad, it is bad. Our house hasn't had a deep clean in probably 2 months, which is, it's embarrassing. So I thought I'd bring you guys along and show you guys how I clean and my whole process and my tips and tricks that I've learned along the way, all of my favorite products and tools to help keep my house clean. It's towards the end of the day today. So today we'll do like surface cleaning and like topical cleaning, like cleaning up the clothes, putting them away, starting laundry. And then tomorrow I'm thinking we will do the deep clean, cleaning the showers, the toilets, and all that fun stuff. For me to focus during cleaning, I need something to listen to, keep my brain occupied. Otherwise, I will start cleaning this and that and that and that. But I find if I'm listening to something, I'm more like honed in on what I need to be doing. I asked you guys in one of my recent videos some podcast recommendations. You guys had truly great recommendations. So I might either listen to a What We Said podcast, where it's breakup stories, sounds like something I would love, or a like true crime type of story. I really love true crime. It's not good for my anxiety though. Let's do worst breakup stories. Let's keep today light, shall we? Typically I would start with cleaning our bedding, but since it's kind of late in the day, I'll save that for tomorrow morning. So let's go ahead and pick up all the clothes, sort through what needs to be put away, what needs to be started in the wash, and we'll do the laundry. I was not kidding when I said it's bad, and it just gets worse. Okay, we are in my laundry room. Clearly, I did laundry last week and never fully put it away, which honestly, story of my life. I am so bad at keeping up with laundry. I just do it and then I forget about it and then I rewash it, and it's like a whole thing. Let me know if you guys struggle with the same thing, because I often feel very alone in it. I'm gonna go ahead and start a load, but before I do that, I want to show you guys some of my favorite laundry products. I feel like the hero of all of my laundry is OxiClean. I love this one, and I also love their White Revive. So this one is the odor blaster, so I think this just helps like eliminate odor and stuff. And then the White Revive just helps brighten whites, and you can even use it with color, so it's not like a bleach or anything. I use this especially with our workout clothes or anything that we really sweat in, or towels or whatever it may be. I really love it. Other than that, I just buy our laundry detergent in bulk. I use the Free and Clear because it doesn't have dyes or anything in it. I try to avoid that as best as I can, but I'm sure OxiClean is not, you know, toxic free. I live a balanced lifestyle. I would love to find a replacement for it, but I have yet to really dive into like a non-toxic laundry detergent. So if you have any recommendations, let me know down below. I feel like it goes without saying that I sort my laundry based off of colors and whites. I used to not do that, and I don't really know what changed me into doing it, but I do it now. And I usually wash all of our workout clothes together, since a lot of our clothes are like Lululemon and stuff. They just do better on a gentle wash, and that way our clothes last longer. So I'm gonna do a colored load really quick. No, leave it. It's not a toy. Leave it. A question I get asked all the time is, how do we keep up with our dog's hair? So we have a golden retriever. He sheds a ton. It's unreal. And the way we keep up with it is by vacuuming at least once a day. We try to vacuum twice a day, and that is not including mopping and all the other things. But truly, our Dyson is one of my best friends. I've got 2 best friends. I'll introduce you to the other one later, but this is truly a game changer. The fact that it doesn't have a cord, it has so many different attachments that makes it so easy to get into hard to reach places, and I love it. It runs for a while. I can easily clean our entire home. I have the Dyson V11 Torque Drive, and I think this is the the animal one, if I remember correctly. So when we were living with my parents for 3 months, we had originally packed this up, but we very quickly realized that we missed our vacuum. So I think Sam spent like an hour looking through all of our boxes that were stacked up like Tetris, trying to find our Dyson vacuum because that's how much we missed it. So we love this thing. Truly, it is the best. It's definitely worth the investment. I always do a quick vacuum in the morning and usually a quick vacuum at the end of the day. It takes just a few minutes and it's super easy. As you can see, this thing is currently empty, and let me show you what happens after. So that's all the hair and dirt that it just picked up in this area. Every surface in here is clean. I'm gonna fold the laundry to conclude the day, and then we will deep clean tomorrow. It's deep cleaning day, hence why I'm wearing my cozy clothes. We're gonna be getting a lot done today, and I'm very excited. So we're gonna start off by throwing my bedding in the washer and dryer. I really want to take my furniture cleaner to our headboard because I haven't done that since I got it. And we're gonna mop, vacuum, clean every surface, toilets, sinks, all the things. So let's get started with my bedding. Let's throw that in the washer and get things going. Okay, let's clean our mattress and our bed frame. I put a different attachment on my Dyson, and this just helps like vacuum any surfaces like these. So I'm gonna vacuum the headboard and bed frame and mattress, and then we're gonna use my little green machine. So this is an upholstery cleaner, and it's amazing. I've talked about this on my Instagram, so if you guys follow me over there, then you heard me talk about it, because I use this to clean our carpet, and it works wonders. It truly does. So it comes with a solution that you're supposed to put in here, but I decided to add the OxiClean in there. I know that they don't recommend adding anything other than their cleaning solution, so I'm not necessarily recommending that you do that, but that's what I'm gonna do. It will help get stains out and things like that, because Teddy uses this bed frame as a means to like step up. Also, per usual, I'll have everything I use linked down below for you guys in the description box. Gross. That is the dirty water from the bed frame. Ugh, so disgusting. It definitely needed a clean. So I'm gonna dump this out and clean it up. I took a quick break to make a smoothie because I was getting hungry, but it's not quite yet lunchtime, so smoothie is always an easy go-to. I always do strawberry, banana, and peanut butter, and I added a little bit of cocoa powder as well. We're gonna deep clean the bathroom now. Toilets, shower, sinks. We're gonna start with the worst part, which is the toilet room. I need to take out the trash and clean the toilet. All right, let's talk my favorite cleaning products for the bathroom. I wanna say a little caveat. I've talked about it before. I really like using non-toxic products, but an area that I have not even really started exploring is cleaning products. So a lot of these are probably not the best for you, but they're very effective at what they do. If we're specifically talking toilets, there are two products that I love to use. One is the Comet Cleaner. I don't know about this one specifically. I don't know which one I specifically use, but I just know I like the powder cleaner for the toilet. And then this product is amazing. So it's pretty much a cleaning gel that you push this on the side of your toilet and then press the button in. It leaves like a cleaning gel inside the toilet, so every time you flush, it like runs through the water and it just keeps the toilet bowl really clean. And I really like having this because I feel like it even leaves the room smelling like it was just cleaned. So this, especially in guest bathrooms, is amazing. Another thing that's new to me are these reusable toilet cleaner things. I don't know what you call them, but usually toilet bowl cleaners are so gross because you're putting them back in a thing and like they were just in the toilet bowl cleaning it. So what I like about this is that it has a handle and then you press it down inside. And so you have a reusable like little head to clean all of your toilets with, and you can just buy new tops for it. It's amazing. You get them at Costco or like Target or wherever you shop. Well, let's clean this toilet, putting the hair back up, putting the AirPods in. Another must-have in cleaning, especially in the bathroom, is a magic eraser. These things are the best. Also the best glass cleaner. It's time to clean the kitchen, so we're gonna do appliances and just take everything off the counters, really clean the counters, clean the cabinets, and really every surface that I can do my best to do. I'm gonna show you some favorite products that I haven't mentioned yet. So for the stainless steel appliances, I really love this Twinkle stuff. It's really great for that part, even our coffee machine and the fridge, microwave, all those things. For cleaner, I love this multi-surface cleaner. It's from Young Living, and now this is supposed to be non-toxic, so I've had this for a while. I'm actually almost out. There's only a little bit left. I just do like 2 capfuls and then fill the rest up with water. I got these amber glasses off of Amazon, and I just labeled it cleaner so we know. So I'm going to make this really quick because we're out, and then hopefully by the time I'm done cleaning off the counters, the dishwasher will be done. I don't know if you can hear it. Then we'll empty the dishes and then we'll dishwash everything I need to do. Like I like to take the coffee machine apart, put that in the dishwasher, and then some things from the microwave, and just all the things that I don't often clean in the dishwasher. I also love Scrub Daddy sponges. This is just their regular sponges, but they also have like the iconic smiley face ones, but this is just what I have to use. So I'll probably use this to scrub, especially on top of the stove, because I have not cleaned that since we've been in this house. It's really gross, and I'm embarrassed to admit that. I was about to move the coffee machine out of the way to clean. I realized maybe I want a coffee first. So I'm gonna make a coffee really quick. Okay, the kitchen is clean and spotless. So now it's time for the last step, which is mopping the floors. If you saw a few weeks ago, I did a week in my life and I talked about my twinkle vacuum / mop. It's like all in one. It vacuums and mops at the same time, and this thing is my best friend. So let me show you. So this is my twinkle wet dry vacuum. So it vacuums and mops at the same time. If you want to see more details about why I love it, I will put the week in my life up here where I talked more depth about it, but I cannot recommend this thing enough. It's the best, especially having a dog. I mean, the dirt that it picks up is incredible, and I have noticed that my house is just so much cleaner. So I do this probably 3 times a week, and we vacuum about twice a day. So I'm going to vacuum first with our Dyson, and the reason I do that is because there's just a lot of hair around, and I want to use this to pick up more dirt and grime. So I just do that extra step. I don't have to because this is a vacuum, but I just like to get the big globs of hair that you saw yesterday up first. One of the main reasons I hate washing our sheets and bedding is putting the duvet cover back on. If you have one, you know it's a rough time. I'm sure most of you know this trick, but if you don't, I'm going to show you the easiest way I found to put on the duvet cover. My duvet is currently on the bed inside out, and I'm going to put the comforter insert over top and make sure it's the correct way, obviously, and do all your knots that you need to do. So you want to make sure that it's even, and what you're going to do is you're going to start rolling it up. So just kind of go from each side, roll it up. Okay, once you get to this point, this is probably the hardest part. So this is where like the zipper ends, and you're going to take it and like flip it inside of it to where it will come together where you can zip it up. Like that. And you're gonna do it on the other side as well. Find where it splits, and you're going to flip it inside of it, okay? Now, zip it up like normal. Okay, now you're gonna have this roll, and you're gonna shake it out. It's gonna unroll itself to be right side in, and evenly spread. And just like that, you have a perfectly done duvet. Just like that, my house is deep cleaned. It feels so good to have that crossed off my list. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed following along, and I hope you learned something. Maybe I had a few good tips in there for you. Be sure to stick around and subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.